A bill named in part for the children of a Chattanooga police officer killed by a drunk driver has been signed into law. The new law cracks down on one of the most common forms of manslaughter, drunken driving. Liam Collins is in the studio tonight. Liam, tell us what this new law does.
Greg, what's being called Bentley, Ethan, and Haley's law requires people convicted of a DUI to make payments directly to the people affected most by those actions. That law would require them to pay child support if they kill a parent during a drunk driving incident. Officer Nicholas Galinger's dad told me today it's a major step toward curbing the act of what took the life of his son.
We've got to put a stop to this senseless drinking and driving.
That is what killed Barry Galinger's son. Chattanooga police officer Nicholas Galinger was hit and killed by a drunk driver in 2019.
You know, you don't realize how this stuff affects you sometimes. Like, you know, it just kind of gets down in your heart and your soul. And it really, I guess it never really goes away.
But Galinger and his family have been fighting for justice ever since. Janet Hines has since been convicted in his death, and this week Governor Bill Lee signed a bill into law named after Officer Galinger's kids.
Hopefully this new law will help reduce the number of DUIs by people being more responsible.
The law requires people convicted of killing a parent while driving drunk to pay child support until the children are 18.
It's that it moves the needle in a positive direction.
Representative Mark Hall sponsored the bill.
A lot of this is a behavior problem that we have to combat. And the best way to get their attention is by strengthening the laws.
The law bears the name Ethan and Haley, Officer Galinger's kids, and Bentley, the child of a Bradley County resident killed in a drunk driving incident. A reminder of the lasting toll of driving drunk.
The grandkids, Ethan and Haley, they're very proud that their father death, that good things are coming out from that death.
Now, while this new law won't help his family, Galinger tells me this law does feel like a major milestone, but he also says there's a lot more work to be done. He told me he's planning on working with state legislators more in the next session to strengthen Tennessee's DUI laws even more. Greg.